Okay, so here we're going to be looking at some of the problems that can be caused by the cin. The cin recognizes the value that's being typed and puts it in the context of what it expects. So the length over here is declared as an integer. So cin thinks, okay, I'm going to get a whole number. So let's run this program. And now instead of 12, I'm going to enter 12.3. And then what happens is that it immediately skips to the width of the rectangle, doesn't allow the user to input this, and then it reports that the area of the rectangle is 0 because this is seen as 0. So why is this happening? Well, when the user inputs 12.3, the 12 is going to be assigned over here to length. And then the 0.3 is just lost because that's not an integer anymore. Now there is still an enter key in the buffer over here, which means that width gets a 0 value and the calculation just goes way off. Now there are two things that you can do with this. You can either tell the user only use whole numbers like this, or what you can do is, and this makes much more sense, make this a double. You can also use a float. I just prefer to use doubles. So now when we run this and we use 12.3 and I accidentally typed in 12 point something and then hit enter. Let me do 14.5. Okay, let me do this again. .3 and 14.5. And now you see that we get the proper calculation with the proper decimals. Make sure that you use the appropriate data type over here, or you may run into some problems. Ask yourself, okay, the values that I'm going to input, is that something that's going to be a whole number, or is the number with decimals?